This is the unboxing of the Ford FG 2200 IS inverter generator. As you can tell, it's very quiet. I purchased this online for $550. I got gas and can and stabilizer last night. Right now I'm running a test. I only have these two outlets in my shop, and I unplugged everything in my shop and plugged it onto this one cord on standard setting, and it's running. My shop lights, refrigerator, freezer, 5,000 BTU air conditioner, little fluorescent tube type bulb, my LCD, nice and cool. That should run 4 hours on a gallon of gas with everything I care about. I will not run the microwave or toaster oven unless absolutely necessary, which I would probably shut off some high draw items just to be safe. So A+.